Hello everyone, this is Satyendra this side and I welcome you in Daily Dose series of Tableau visualization. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a lollipop chart. This lollipop chart is basically a type of dual axis chart what you create in Tableau. So before I go ahead and create any lollipop chart in Tableau, please subscribe my channel and hit on the bell button so that you keep getting the required notifications. Moving towards Tableau, I already have connected couple of data sources here. For example, sample superstore, results, and one COVID-19 data. For this demonstration purpose, I'm going to use sample superstore. I have already created a blank sheet, sheet 21 over here. Before I go ahead and drag any measure, let me tell you, the lollipop chart is basically the replication of same measures on both axes. Which means, in order to create lollipop chart, you need only one measure twice. So I'll drag profit. You can see that here. I'll drag it once again in order to create a dual axis chart. And then we can take any dimension, for example, subcategory. Here we go. And then it's the time to change the dimension or the sign for my measure. So one for one, I'll take circles, and for others, the bars, I would like to reduce the width. Something like this. And for size of circle, I'll increase a bit, and then I'll go ahead and really make it as a dual axis chart. Fair enough. Oh, as soon as I converted it, it got converted both into circles, so I need to just change it back into bars. Now you'll get a visualization something like this, wherein you can hide maybe your titles, or the very important part, you need to synchronize your axes, because over here if you see, for one profit axis you have it up to 60k, whereas on other side you get only 50k. So you need to synchronize your axes, and then you will get a proper lollipop chart. Now in order to little beautify it, I will go ahead and uncheck show header from both sides, and we'll click on entire view. With that, for a particular axis, basically the circles what we have, I would like to give a color, maybe red color. And then over here, if you see, your bars are on top of your circle, so I need to switch the view of these measures, and then you will see circles at the top and bars in the back end or below that. So this is the right lollipop chart we have just created. Few points on top of it in case you want to kind of format your header, you can do that anytime. Bold it. We'll name it as lollipop chart. And another thing which is very important, in case you want to show the labels on these lollipops, you can drag the profit onto label, and then you can definitely go ahead and align it properly, and then you can show a proper format, because at this moment your profit numbers are either overlapping or it is going beyond the circular shape. So we'll go ahead and select currency first of all, change it to the required dollar sign, don't need the decimals, and I will use a unit of 1000. Here we go. We can make it bold, and this is the best utilization of lollipop chart. Guys, point to be noted, it's only one measure which you need to use twice for lollipop chart. In case you use two different measures, in that case the alignment will not be good, it will not be synced properly, and circles and these bars will not overlap the way they are doing it in this particular chart. Hope that makes sense to you. Please do drop your comments and suggestions on top of this video. In case you have question, please feel free to mark me mail or comment over here. Meanwhile, I create another exciting video. Stay safe. Have a nice time. Thank you so much. Bye bye.